In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Word in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a Word document into Confluence so it becomes a fully editable page your team can work on together. Before we start, have your Word file ready on your computer. Confluence works best with modern .docs files. And keeping your document tidy using clear headings and simple styles will help the import look cleaner. First, navigate to the Confluence homepage. This is your starting point and ensures you are working in the right place. From here, look to the top navigation bar and click Create. When the options appear, select Live Doc. This opens a fresh page in the editor where we'll trigger the import. Think of this new editor window as your staging area. You are not creating from scratch, you are simply using it to pull your Word content in. Once the editor is open, head to the bottom toolbar and click All Templates. That opens the template gallery, which includes more than just layouts, it also provides import tools. On the right-hand sidebar of this gallery, select the Import tab. This is the dedicated spot for bringing outside content into Confluence. Now choose Word document. This tells Confluence the type of file you are importing, so it can map headings, paragraphs, images, and tables as accurately as possible. Next, upload your file, browse to the Word document on your computer. Confirm your selection and let Confluence process it. You'll see progress while it prepares the content. Once it's done, click Finish. Avoid closing the window during this step. Larger documents with many images or tables may take a bit longer. Wait for the content to appear. Confluence will convert your Word structure into native page elements. Headings become Confluence headings. Body text becomes standard paragraphs, and most images and tables are brought across in place. When it's ready, the content will appear as a new editable Confluence page. From here, you can review what was imported. Make quick formatting touch-ups if needed, and continue collaborating right away. If you notice small differences like spacing, font sizes, or complex table behavior, that's normal when moving between Word and a web-based editor. And that's it. Thanks for watching.